Electric motors are everywhere. They are in our homes, our workplaces, and even in our pockets. We rely on them every day, often without even realizing it. These silent workers power our fans, our computers, and our electric cars. For decades, we relied on noisy, polluting combustion engines. These engines power our cars and generate electricity. But they have significant drawbacks. They are inefficient, loud, and harmful to the environment. Electric motors offer a cleaner, more sustainable alternative. They are quieter, more efficient, and produce zero emissions. This makes them ideal for a wide range of applications. As our world grapples with climate change, electric motors are no longer a futuristic concept. They are a necessity. They will play a pivotal role in transitioning to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Combustion engines have served us for a long time, but their limitations are becoming increasingly apparent. They rely on burning fossil fuels, which release harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. These pollutants contribute to climate change, smog, and respiratory problems. Furthermore, combustion engines are inherently inefficient. They waste a significant amount of energy as heat. The extraction and transportation of fossil fuels also pose environmental risks. Oil spills and pipeline leaks can devastate ecosystems and harm wildlife. The reliance on fossil fuels also creates geopolitical instability. Countries depend on a finite resource, leading to conflict and economic volatility. Electric motors address many of the limitations of combustion engines. They convert electrical energy into mechanical energy without burning fuel. This means they produce zero emissions during operation, making them much cleaner for the environment. Electric motors are also incredibly efficient. They convert a much higher percentage of energy into motion, wasting far less energy as heat. This efficiency translates to lower operating costs and reduced energy consumption. Despite their quiet operation, electric motors can generate immense power. They deliver instant torque, providing rapid acceleration and impressive performance. From small appliances to heavy machinery, electric motors are powering a wide range of applications. They are used in electric vehicles, wind turbines, industrial robots, and countless other devices. Electric cars, driving towards a greener future. The automotive industry is undergoing a major transformation, driven by the rise of electric vehicles. Electric cars are powered by electric motors, drawing energy from batteries instead of gasoline. This shift away from combustion engines offers numerous benefits. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gases. They are also much quieter than traditional vehicles, leading to a more peaceful driving experience. Electric cars are also becoming increasingly affordable and practical. Battery technology is rapidly improving, extending driving range and reducing charging times. Governments and automakers are investing heavily in charging infrastructure, making it easier to charge electric vehicles. The transition to electric vehicles is essential for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating climate change. It's a crucial step towards a cleaner, more sustainable transportation system. The future is electric, a world powered by innovation. The future of technology is undeniably electric. Electric motors are poised to play an even greater role in our lives as we move towards a more sustainable future. Advancements in battery technology, power electronics, and materials science are driving innovation in electric motor design and performance. We can expect to see even more powerful, efficient, and affordable electric motors in the years to come. The applications for electric motors are virtually limitless. They will power our homes, our transportation systems, and our industries. They will drive innovation in robotics, aerospace, and renewable energy. Embracing electric motors is not just about adopting a new technology. It's about creating a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for ourselves and future generations. Keep exploring. The electric revolution is just beginning. The world of electric motors is fascinating and constantly evolving. Delve deeper into this exciting field and discover the incredible potential of this transformative technology. Learn about the different types of electric motors and their applications. Explore the latest advancements in electric vehicle technology and renewable energy. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate their vital role in shaping a brighter future. Join us on this journey and be part of the electric revolution. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest in electric motor technology. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.